Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video on a gorgeous 1964 Plymouth Belvedere. Now, this two-door sedan is absolutely an awesome car. It has a built 440 in it, bored out to a 472 cubic inch engine underneath the hood, mated to a 4-speed manual transmission, disc brakes on the front with drilled and slotted rotors, or drilled rotors anyway. This car, the paint and body on this car are absolutely gorgeous. It's kind of an eggshell white. It looks white, but it's got like a little bit of a blue tint to it, so it's super cool. And the paint is, like I say, the paint is stellar on this car. American Racing vintage style torque thrust wheels, new tires on it, Cooper Cobras. All the trim, all the stainless, all the bright work on this car is very, very nice. The glass is all crystal clear. Yeah, all that trim down the side is just polished to perfection. Same way with the rear bumper, tail light bezels. This thing's got some, it'll run on 93 octane. It's got a little bit of race fuel in it right now. It sounds great, smells great, runs great. Just an awesome car. No exceptions to with the interior. Absolutely beautiful as well. Door jams. Door jam paint. It's got a little bit of a black spot here on the door panel. Need to get that off there. Interior is very, very nice. Tripod of gauges down below. Old school tack. Car reads 54,741 miles. They're probably actual. Interior is very, very nice. Seats are in great shape. Carpet's nice. Matching Belvedere floor mats. Door gaps and body lines on this car. You can see how nice and clean and straight they are. This kind of tells the whole story when you look at these cars. Same with this side. Interior, very, very nice, and jams. Headliner, sail panels, package tray, dome light, visors, dash. They shut great too. There's the monster. Aluminum radiator, serpentine belt, long tube headers, performer manifold, Power Master alternator, MSD ignition. Just an awesome, awesome car. Built very, very well. Start it up here for you. It sounds amazing. Left turn, right turn, tack, gauges, dash lights, dome light. all your Mopar buddies jealous with this one.